Hi guys, welcome to Best of Guru, and today we have another special guest in our channel. She is none other than Jyoti Chauhan. She is one of the top women bloggers in India, and a little bit of Jyoti. Jyoti is my blog friend since 2015, and since 5 years, whenever I have any doubts in WordPress and other technical things related to blogging, apart from Atish Ranjan, Jyoti is the second person who comes into my mind, and she always helps me out whenever I struggle in customization or else I have any problem in my C panels and all. So initially she helped me a lot, and gradually we two became a good friends online. Coming to Jyoti, Jyoti has a blog named Update Land, and that is her main blog, and she has got many other blogs in collaboration with other bloggers, but Update Land is her bread and butter. That is her child. Another good thing about Jyoti is that she never changed a theme in that blog. Since 5 years, I am seeing the same theme, and that is very simple and yet very classy. So this is how Jyoti take care of her blog, because never want to change anything. When you start a blog, you should not change anything on your blog, and you should not change your brand also. Many bloggers used to change the blog name itself, but she has a stick with the same name, that is Update Land. We will know more about herself in her own voice and words. Let us welcome Jyoti. Hi Jyoti.
Hi guys, I'm
How?
Jyoti Chauhan from updateland.com and nice to meet you here. And
Thank
actually जैसे कि मतलब गुरु ने कहा कि मैंने थीम और अपडेट लैंड चेंज नहीं किया, लाइक अपडेट लैंड मतलब मुझे एकदम अच्छा लगता है, जैसे शॉर्ट है, सिंपल है और कोई भी मतलब इजीली प्रोनाउंस कर सकता है। बट तो इसीलिए मेरे दिमाग में मतलब कभी आया ही नहीं कि मेरे को चेंज करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए। और थीम मतलब आई पर्सनली रियली लाइक माई थीम, so I never thought to change. I sometimes thought to like small changes but not the big changes. So this is the fix. And agar if I talk about my journey, so I started internet marketing career from 2011, but those days I was not aware the like blogging thing. I just joined a company as an SEO executive. Or funny thing about that time, even I don't know matlab, like what is SEO, but still they hired me somehow, matlab, seeing my grades or whatever they find good. But अगर आप टुडे के टाइम में कंसिडर करो, आप कहीं भी इंटरव्यू देने जाओ, आपको पता ही नहीं लाइक व्हाट इज एसईओ स्टैंड्स फॉर, तो कौन आपको हायर करेगा। मतलब आई एम नॉट लकी एट दैट टाइम दैट आई लर्न एंड आई गेट पेड आल्सो। मतलब आई लर्न द ऑफ पेज एसईओ एक्टिविटी, even they pay me also, like, but somehow matlab, I get bored with that stuff. Those days like off-page SEO more like copy paste. So all the time keep doing copy paste. It's like me, I'm getting bored, and I thought it was not something मतलब जो मैं कर सकती हूँ all the time. So I thought to switch मतलब, तो मैंने एक दो फ्रेंड से बात की लाइक कुछ हो जो और कुछ कर सकती हूँ मैं। तो मतलब मुझे ब्लॉगिंग का थोड़ा ऐसे आइडिया हो गया कि ब्लॉगिंग जैसा कुछ है और मैं कर सकती हूँ। तो स्टार्टिंग में जो मैंने अपना ब्लॉग बनाया था, तो बेसिकली उसका पर्पस तो इतना ही था कि वहाँ पे मैं सारे मतलब ऑफिस के जितने भी सोर्सेज थे, लाइक जैसे फोरम्स पोस्टिंग की साइट्स थी मेरे पास, कुछ एसईओ की साइट्स थी, तो मेरा पर्पस बस यही था कि जब मैं अपनी कंपनी छोड़ के जाऊँ तो मेरे पास जितने भी अच्छे रिसोर्सेज हों वो एक प्लेस पे हों और मैं उन्हें इजीली एक्सेस कर पाऊँ। मतलब जो मेरा अच्छा सोर्सेज मैंने यहाँ बनाए हैं वो कंपनी के साथ छूटे ना। और मैंने इसलिए एक ब्लॉग बनाया और वहाँ पे सब कलेक्ट कर दिया। उस टाइम पे मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं था लाइक और भी लोग वो एक्सेस कर पाएँगे। और बट हुआ क्या एट द एंड, मतलब मैनी पीपल स्टार्ट टू रीडिंग माय ब्लॉग एंड जस्ट कमेंटिंग लाइक दीज स्टफ आर वेरी गुड एंड मतलब मोर फ्रॉम योर साइड। सो आई स्टार्ट गेटिंग सम अदर टिप्स लाइक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग वगैरह, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई बिकम अ ब्लॉगर। लाइक आई थॉट this is something that I really enjoy, and like I love helping people. So I thought, why not do this?
Good, good. And you came from a small town, if I am not wrong. And
Yeah, yeah, you are
how did
absolutely.
you face initial roadblocks? See, coming from a small town and coping with all these senior bloggers and digital marketing guys, how did you manage all these initial roadblocks?
Actually, when I started in initial days, then I was a freelancer that time. So money was not the issue for me. Like even that time when I started, I used to make like 20, 30. So seems like I have a backup. If my blog is not making a money, so it was not a big issue for me. That time I was just doing like a hobby, and one day, Jitendra Vashwani just messaged me like you can make more money with your blog if you just consider like a become more serious towards your blog. Like you can shift it. At that time I blog at Blogspot. So he recommended me to shift to WordPress that you can have a better design and more control over the SEO. But at that time I was a dumb. So I was like, why should I spend the money on like hosting when earning money? Like I was happy that time with 30K because around me the people like making less money. So I thought I'm making good money. But one day a client approached me to write an article and just paid me $70. So I thought, when I just spending 2 3 hours daily and I can make some much money, then why don't I spend whole time at our own blog and why to work for clients? So that was the how I just become the like full time blogger, and I decided this blogging start doing taking update line serious, and other senior bloggers everyone are so good to me when like I need help I just drop a message, and I every time I got help. There is nothing like ki I message someone and he didn't reply or she didn't reply. Everyone was so good. Well, Iftikhar Ahmed, Jiten Vashwani, Ankit always was there to help. Anytime I need help, I just call. If I want to discuss something, I call Ankit. How we can do this, or he's very good. Everyone's so good. और when we talk like our small town, एक ही problem है, I'm not good in English. But somehow I manage, like I have a writer, so they cover the things.
Good, good. And how much did you spend on your blog in the initial days?
Initial days,
To
most
start a
of
blog,
time,
how much a newbie? For example, if I am a newbie and I want to start a blog, how much money I have to invest?
like for a newbie, like $100 is enough. If you see, like one can get a good theme, and like initial days, if she has not a much budget, then they can get a good theme from my theme shop. Or if someone has good budget, then he can go simple theme like Genesis theme. Or hosting, you can go with the like A2 hosting, SiteGround hosting, Bluehost hosting, and even that with good your budget. But it is always better to consider your blog like a business. Just there is no benefit to just do a free blog spot. When you don't spend a penny, you don't think return should come. But when you invest money, you will think like I have spent some money, like how I make a more money now.
So
We
you
want
are,
to
yeah.
benefit. Now when we spend some money, we want all the benefit.
What are the monetization methods you use on your blog?
For promoting affiliate products, right?
Hmm. Promoting or else see how you earn money from your blog.
Actually, if I talking about starting days, that time I decide to do affiliate marketing. But at those days, I don't have a much knowledge like how to do affiliate, or so I wrote like 2 3 articles like HostGated review or one more. मतलब hardly 3 articles. Or I was like, there is no one because there is no traffic. But dumb thing is, how can you expect to just writing 3 articles and affiliate money? Will start to come
Yeah,
into
yeah.
your pocket. Nothing. There is nothing, na. So that time, but a good thing is happened. Like I somehow knew about the sponsored reviews. So my whole focus gone there, and I just forget about the affiliate marketing. So initial days, and even the for newbie blogger, even the today time, sponsored reviews are like a good thing to make instant money, because in earlier days you can't your blog hardly get the traffic from the search engine. So there is a less chances to make money from the affiliate, but you keep start putting the efforts, which because the post you are writing today maybe will rank like take time up 6 months or 1 year. So eventually you will start earning. But if you want like instant money, so like you better to outreach the clients which are just investing in the reviews. You can see like check other blogs people are just publishing like at their blogs, and you personally write them emails like we will write about you, your product, and we will promote, or they will happy to like sponsor your blog. So it can be like for a newbie a good way to make money from a blog. If I talk about affiliate marketing, then you really need to have patience to make money from affiliate marketing. But it always good to focus at affiliate marketing because it's just a you matlab 2 3 customer just may send you the whole matlab a very big money. Just some programs has a recurring commission like one customer recently just like I publish a sponsored review, but I ask them like I find the potential of that product in affiliate marketing. So I asked to can I put my affiliate link. They were like we are paying, so why you will add your affiliate link. Then I told that I will write some other articles like list articles and comparison articles, and I see the matlab your product has a potential to make money, so they allow me. And I noticed even like after just publishing reviews, the same day I got the sale, and that was the recurring product, so I am getting the regular commission from that product also. So, matlab, I just recommend just focus on the recurring products. Just send the commission matlab, whole time. Or second thing, if you want to start from like affiliate marketing, always go with the best product, not the product that paying the high commission. Because when you just like recommend something good that really deserve to promote, the people will buy. They will not see you just promoting for the affiliate commission. Since if you are recommending something that doesn't deserve to be promoted, so people can smell that you are doing for money, not for actually just recommending something. For just like a to anyone who just is starting with the affiliate marketing, I will just recommend just find the product with the like low competition. Even like a product has 100 searches with a keyword like this XYZ reviews, that has a potential to the matlab, for making money. Even you can, because if you can rank that, you can make the money with like 10, even the 10 visits come from search engine. So one can just write like review post and the comparison post. Like if someone is decide to promote hosting, that he can write a review article and comparison other companies. As suppose I decide to promote like A2 hosting. So better to go with like A2 hosting, BS Outground, A2 hosting, BS Host Papaya, Host Gator, Bluehost. So more articles we prefer, then more we have a chances to interlink. So this way, matlab somehow have we help in ranking the post also. And the list post also work very good for affiliate marketing, like best hosting services, where here you have chances like recommend the more post, so matlab more products. In this way you can create the depth content like that Google prefer, even the higher chances for ranking. So I think it will be enough for affiliate marketing for now.
So, what type of products you use to review most of the time?
Most of the time I just review like SEO tools, and right now I also starting review hosting services. And I just see matlab, as you if you notice I also cover update line at technology section, so we also review like VPN and other software like video editing other as it relevant to the blog.
So, do they provide you product?
Can you repeat again?
Do they provide a product to test it out, or you
Yeah,
will?
I always take a product first and use myself, then I write.
So that is a good thing because many bloggers will do reviews without even testing it out or even using it.
I never write without testing. Always, if any, even if they are the sponsored review or whatever, I always ask for their premium plan. That first I will use, then I will decide if it is good or not good to recommend the people.
Yeah, that is a good idea. Even I write reviews on WordPress themes and all. Most of the time, I will get reviews from my theme shop, and they provide me, I think, for 1 month or 1 year free trial. So I will use that
Yeah,
theme and I will review. So that is the way we have to do. That is a good thing.
yes. a good way, na? We know all the
Yeah,
features.
exactly. Yeah, some people will give for 1 week also.
Like you are writing about a black room, you don't know, but you still are writing.
Exactly. Yeah, in previously I wrote for Divi theme also. They provided me for 1 week trial. So within 1 week I tried all those elements and wrote an elaborative review. So that is how you want to do reviews and all without testing products or without using it. We cannot write heartfully.
Yeah. Even we can't create the original content.
Exactly.
Because if we don't aware the product or we didn't use, so we will simply Google and then what are the writing about the product and what are the features and how we can come with the original article. No matter what the tool, sometimes even I purchase the tool for it. If there is a list post or I am doing affiliate, just to know well the product and write the original content, not the rewrite. I never prefer the rewriting. I always try to come with something original stuff because Google also prefer original stuff in ranking.
And if there is any client who is offering you a little big amount like $100, $500, but they are not ready to provide the product, how you will handle those things?
Actually, it didn't happen with me at most of time client offer their product.
So you will reject or you will ask them to provide at any cost.
When we discuss, like they come to me, they want to promote their product at my blog, so I told them three things, like we will test, so we need a premium account 1 week or 1 month, depend on the product, like if is their SEO tools, so sometime they give me for 6 months. Some clients, they also think like if we are using, then we can create the better article. Hardly I didn't see that situation that someone refused to give the pre-product.
So most of the time
We are
client will provide actually. Yes.
yeah.
If he is a good client, definitely they will provide.
Yeah.
Yeah, coming to your blogs, how many blogs you have?
I have like 5-6 blogs, some in other niche like technology, and
Are
mainly I
they
focus
affiliate
like
blogs or normal blogs?
some are the multi niche blogs which I started like at the same time when we started Updateland. So they are not like I just primarily focus right now at Updateland. If you just notice, we are covering like hosting articles and SEO tools. Other blogs, right now are considering just working on one blog Updateland, and making this is like something that people will love.
So I see lot of articles on your Updateland. Every now and then, almost every day or every 2 days, you will have an article. How you bring those content ideas?
Right now, as I'm focusing on the affiliate, so I simply do like if I promoting any product, so is like just say recently I found a product like Visme. It has a like product something like Canva. So I simply just put the brand name in the like Ahref and see which keywords had the actual searches. Like people are searching for the review or the comparison article or like a how to tutorial, and I cover them. And sometime I do the competitor analysis, like what they are covering, what are converting for them, like what are the posts which are sending more traffic to them, and are they posts have the affiliate potential or not, like traffic which are coming to has a chances to convert, or just the traffic coming for like to get the information. So I do competitor analysis, and sometimes like you see some blogs and get the ideas like they are doing, we can also do.
So what type of tools you use for keyword research?
I use like Samras or and Ahref,
Any
and
free
sometimes
tools?
I like free tools. Not right now. I'm not personally using. There are many tools like I didn't use, so I have not in mind. Like, but you can just simply like Google and when you put a keyword, they show the suggestion list. So they are also good suggestion. But I personally recommend to everyone who are just taking blogging like a business, at least invest a one premium tool. It is really because if you can't have a good keyword, you
So
will
you
write
use
the article.
SEMrush and Hrefs, na? Both are,
idea.
is it from group tools or separately you have taken?
Actually, मतलब yeah, sir, if they gave me मतलब before some time we are just writing some articles, so premium and Samras मतलब it has also it from some site, they are group site like.
Good. So coming to your promotion again, blog promotion, what are your promotion strategies? How would you promote your blog article once it has been published?
Actually, right now I'm not like promoting the blog. Actually, I just consider more focus on the organic traffic from the earlier days or the days I just knew about the organic traffic. So my main focus at the organic traffic. So I prefer to like create a good quality content and just trying to make good quality backlinks, because the traffic, I personally think traffic I got from the Facebook is not going to help and converting the sales, or somehow my right now my focus at the organic traffic. I even is thinking to implement the email marketing,
Good. That is
but
a good
right now not
strategy.
implementing
That is a good
the what.
strategy. Yeah, email
Yeah,
marketing is a
I
good strategy.
somehow I believe like a person comes from the search engine has the more potential to convert. Like if you are searching like best SEO tools in Google, then you have definitely in mind to buy something. Then you are searching, and if I'm just sharing at the Facebook and you just click there and come, so it can be you saw there and you just came. It is not something that you are really looking. People in Google, they are really looking.
Coming to this affiliate marketing again, so what type of products are good for review, and how the new bloggers will approach companies to get product reviews and all? Is there any strategy or there is any sample way to approach?
First, like if we are just in, if you notice many new bloggers, so they have a good blog but not like a good design. Like you visit not a good sidebar, like customized, not a good theme. But if we consider like approaching advertiser to review, so first thing we need a good theme, because the design seems a first impression towards a client. They see your blog, it sound be a professional blog. If you are just approaching them, if it doesn't sound professional, they will think like it's not a something. Matlab, some client you just they will give a attention to the site, like if we are ye simple, just you are saying something that are very well packed and other seems like dirty, then you wouldn't touch not dirty thing no matter what is inside, right?
First
So same
impression
up.
is best impression.
Yeah, yeah. So anyone like should really invest in theme. You can get, there are many platforms which offer cheap theme. You also go with the cheap. You don't have a much budget, but always go with the premium theme. Like, and the second thing, design all the pages and the cause you can reach there. You should have a good Facebook page, Twitter. They also sometimes they demand like what are they are your social media handlers and how the things are going there. So sponsored reviews, like if you have a good traffic, that you can easily pitch them and they can really happy to pay you no matter what you ask, like. But if you don't have a traffic, there is like a problem, so hard to convince them. In this case you can tell them like you will can write like 2 3 posts, like list post, review post and comparison post. So then they will be like convinced, and you can offer also like sidebar to them like for 1 month, or depend on the like your strategy. When initial stage or I see any client who seems a good budget, sometimes I also offer a sidebar with charge extra money, but when they are happy with the traffic, you can sell them easily, like if you are good in selling things.
So how about content? Do you write on your own or do you have any writers to write your content for?
Actually, I write not all, sometimes when it actually comes like if I'm doing like keyword research thing or like SEO things, but I have a writer also that write for me, and I tell them like how to write and how do all the things. Sometimes I also write when just think I really need to share my experience, and I thought the prefer to learn from me, not from someone else.
So how much time you spend on blogging every day?
How I'm a bit lazy nowadays, or say from a very long time. I become a lazy. Even remember my initial days, I was a very hardworking person. Even I used to work 14 hours a day. And right now, even I it hardly remember when I'm working like 6 hours without doing some other stuff. Sometimes, so I hardly spend 6 7 hours right now.
What are your hobbies apart from blogging?
Apart from blogging, I love watching movies, TV series, and listening music.
So you are staying in Delhi now?
Right now, I'm at home, like Sonipat, because I left Delhi like a couple of months when Corona things started. So mom was like, Delhi is not safe, come here. So I just shifted to at home right now, just waiting to things
Okay.
get
When you are
okay.
in
And
Delhi, is it? Do you have a office or do you manage from your room only?
we had an office like in past years, but right now don't have. I just closed. We have some freelancer. Even the my partner like Arif, we used to work from initial days together. So he has an office. So we have some employees in his office, and some we have some freelancer also like writer, and some we hire just as need.
Mm.
Depend totally.
So how is quarantine life now?
It's a totally good. Actually, it is the first time I'm spending much time with the family. So for me, it's a good like spending with the families also,
Did it?
because I'm
Yeah, it has any effect on your blogging and your income?
no quarantine not affect, but Google update did really.
Yeah, that is for everyone. So
Yeah.
personally, there is no exception for every. Whenever update comes, people really gets a shock. That's a natural thing for online digital marketers or bloggers.
Right.
And anything more you want to share about yourself or to the audience, to the new beginners or who want to come to online in this 2020 or in future?
Actually, like many people which see like our like disadvantage or the things we are not good. Sometimes we don't start because we are not good. But thing is, we should start. We will learn day by day. So no matter how poor you are in something, maybe you are not a good in English or not in writing, but just start, because no one is good when they start. They become one day eventually by practicing. So everyone like who want to like make money, so blogging is the one of the best platform that you can make money and live your dream life. I personally think blogging is one of the best decision I ever made. I never think that in my life that I will make able to make much money that I make nowadays. And if I think like my I just grown up in the like town. Even in today time, there is no cyber cafe even in right now. So no matter from where you belong and what your parents do and what is the they are able to give you money, it's totally depend on you how much hard work you are ready to put. So you can do whatever you want once you decide and start taking action. I mean, never wait, just start and start putting the efforts. You will get the result, because what we do today, we will see the results those after like years. If I see if I see the my right before 2 3 days, I'm seeing the money I'm making like 6 7 years is equal to the money I make in the last 1 year. So you can see the your efforts get the result, but it takes a time.
Exactly. So you are a very inspirational human and also woman, one of the top women bloggers. So many women has to take inspiration from you, and
Yeah,
since young age you
I,
are doing this blogging and all, and without language barrier, you are still managing everything. That is a great plus point for for you. Any other things?
I think right for now it is enough. And I have nothing in like to say here.
Okay, Jyoti, thank you for coming to our channel, and we are very happy that you have shared most of your blog ideas and all informative things, and we are so happy. Thank you so much, and
Thank
have a nice
you.
day.
You too. Bye bye, guys. Have
Thank
a happy
you.
journey.
Bye. Thank you.